Hello everyone! Start off by adding a clip to the back of the hair and then take two sections from the front, twist it in on either side and then insert it into the clip. Now take the rest of the hair, divide it into two sections and then make a braid on either side. Roll the braid upwards. Next, take a section of hair from the right side and then add a clip to it. Then from the left side, take another section of hair, twist it up and then put it into the clip. Repeat this 3 times. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections from the front and then braid both of these sections. Then take a hair stick and then insert this hair stick into both of the braids. Take two more sections, make a thin braid on either side and then roll it upwards. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of hair from the front and then insert it at the back and tie a rubber band. Then make a braid and then using your finger, loosen some of the strands of hair. Roll it up and tie it up using a bobby pin. Then make two more braids out of the sections of hair you have left and then roll it up and around the initial bun. For our next hairdo, take two sections of hair from the front and then tie it up at the back. Take two more sections from either side and then insert them into the initial hair that you have tied up. Keep repeating this process. Repeat this until you reach the tip of the hair and it almost looks like a different kind of braid. To repeat the steps one more time, take the hair, tie it up in the center and then take two sections of hair and then pull it through the sections that you have already tied up. When you reach the bottom and you have run out of sections of hair, you can make a normal braid. Roll it up. For our next hairdo, take a section from the left side and then divide it into two parts. Then twist the hair as shown in the video. Add a clip at the base. Then take another section from the other side of the hair, divide it into two divisions and then twist them together again. Join both of these twists in the center. Add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of the hair and then tie it up at the back. Roll it in on itself. Make two divisions out of the remaining hair and then tie a rubber band on each of these bases. Roll them in on itself and then roll them in through each other. Tie it up at the base and insert it inside. For our next hairdo, take two sections from the front and then keep it aside. Tie a rubber band out of the rest of the hair. Roll it in on itself as such and make a bun. Take the section from the right side and then tie it up around the bun. Then take the section from the left hair and then roll it around the bun once again. Fasten it in place using some bobby pins. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of hair from the front, tie it up at the back using a rubber band, and then roll it in on itself to form two twists. Divide the rest of the hair into two parts and then two rubber bands and make two ponies out of it. Roll it in on itself once again. Keep repeating this process and insert it into the initial hairdo that you had created. Add a decorative clip or flowers. For our next hairdo, take two sides and then add it at the back. Then taking a rubber band, pull out the hair through the top and then make a puff-like shape using your fingers. Repeat this until you reach the base of the hair. This is what it should look like. Add some decorative clips. Next, take a section of the hair from either side and join it at the back. Then add a rubber band to the base and roll it in on itself 2 times. For the rest of the hair, add another rubber band and make a ponytail. Then roll the braid in on itself. For our next hairdo, start off by making a ponytail, then add another rubber band to the middle of it. Then roll the hair in on itself to form a bow-like shape. Add another rubber band to the base, repeat this and then tie it up around the bun. Thank you for watching.